disappointing. You have the potential to do, still you are wasting it on silly hobbies like drawing.
Sir, I love art. It is what I am good at.
Love! Love won't get you into a good college. Focus on what matters. Grades.
Sir, but I am just more than grades.
What? What did you say?
Sir, it's my dream to become an artist.
Listen, सपने देखना अच्छी बात है, पर सपनों के पीछे भागते रहना ये तो सही नहीं है।
सर, पर उम्मीद पर दुनिया भी तो कायम है।
Aryan's love for art is evident in every sketch he makes, but the world around him is kind to it. His mother wants him to be a doctor, believing it's the only path to success. She doesn't realize that in a pursuit of his future, she is crushing his present.
Aryan, what is this? 65 in science. How are you going to become a doctor with such marks?
I was focusing on my art project, Mom. It is my passion. I will try harder, Mom.
Good. I have enrolled you in extra science tuition. Now no more drawings until your grade improves.
Even among friends, Aryan finds no support. He begins to question his dreams alone and disheartened. Aryan's passion for art seems to be slipping through his fingers.
Still drawing those cartoons, Aryan. Man, grow up. No one takes art seriously.
It's not just cartoons. I want to become an artist.
Artist. Good luck. Being broken. You should aim something real, like engineering.
Maybe you are right. No one believes in me. Mom, teachers, friends, they all think I am wasting time. I want to create. I want to draw. I want to paint. I want to bring my ideas to life. How can I let their voices silence me? I cannot let my dreams die.
But deep within Aryan, a faint voice still speaks, the voice of his true self. It reminds him of the joy his art brings, of the purpose it gives him. Aryan realizes he cannot ignore it any longer.
Mom, Dad, I need to say something.
What is it?
I know you want me to be a doctor, but I can't. My heart is in art. Look at these sketches. They are my soul. I have been trying to be someone I am not, just to please everyone, but it's killing me. Please let me follow my dreams.
Aryan, if this is what you truly want, I'll support you. We will support you.
Years pass and Aryan fights to keep his dreams alive. Through perseverance and dedication, he transforms his passion into his purpose.
And the Lalit Kala Academy Award for Visual Art goes to Aryan Sharma.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for believing in me. Thank you so much, art lovers, for supporting me. There was a time when I almost gave up. I let the voices around me drown my own, telling me that my passion was a waste, that my dreams were impractical. But deep down, I knew art wasn't just something I did. It was who I am. Today, I stand here because I choose to trust that voice within me. It wasn't easy. Every struggle, every moment of doubt was worth to it. To every artist, dreamer, or anyone who feels unseen, I want you to know this, that your dreams matter, your individuality matters. This isn't just an award, it's a promise that I will continue to dream, to create, and to inspire others to do the same. Thank you.
Aryan's story is a reminder that dreams though fragile are resilient. They may bend under the weight of pressure, but with belief and courage they can soar. Individuality is a gift and nurturing it can lead to greatness. As the applause fills the room, Aryan's journey inspires not just his parents and peers, but everyone who dares to dream. Because in the end, it's not about living up to others' expectations, it's about living your truth. Thank you.
Thank you.